How's it going, guys? We're at the Niagara today. I haven't been here in a hot minute, so I figured I'd come check it out, see if the smallmouth are in here thick yet. Water clarity is pretty clear today, but it's not super clear, so hopefully we can get onto something. I got the center pin out today. I'm gonna start with this little white marabou jig that's totally beat up. I was using it a lot recently, kind of hoping that it would get snagged and that I would have a reason to, I guess, lay it to rest, but still got it somehow. It's going strong, so we'll see if that can attract any smallmouth. I'll just run through my setup real quick. I got a 3/4 ounce slip float, half an ounce egg sinker sliding down to just some scattered split shot, which isn't really necessary when you're running jigs like this, but since these are tied as flies, they're super light, so I figured that might help get it to the bottom a little bit here in this Niagara tank. But yeah, we'll give it a go and hopefully we can catch at least one smallie. I mean, steelhead might still be around as well, but I've never caught a steelhead at this spot. So yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Oh, damn. That sucks. There we go. I hope I'm recording, but I'm hooked up to something here. Giving me a lot of head shakes, so thinking it's probably a bass. Oh, that is not a bass, that is a steelhead. Holy. I thought they were all gone. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. I was not ready for this fish. I was fishing the past like 2 or so hours. I was at a different spot on the Niagara, and then I came up to this one to see if anything was happening over here. Oh my God, dude. Sorry, I'm freaking out a little bit, guys. This is a 30-inch fish, at least. Holy. Alright, please don't break off. Guys, this has to be the longest steelhead I've ever caught. If I can get it in the net. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Okay, buddy. Alright, nice. Holy. Sorry, I'm freaking out a little bit, but dude, what? This thing is massive. My hand's about 7 inches. 7 inches for scale. Yeah, yep, that's at least a 30 all day. Dude. Throw it on the white marabou jig there. Jesus. This thing is a tank. Oh. Massive steelhead. That's actually insane. Come upstream here. Good to go, buddy? I'm speechless. It's late into the spring season. It's like beginning to mid of May right now. That was a huge fish. Like, my hand is 7 inches long. It was at least 4 of my hand. Wow, that's insane. I don't even know how heavy it would have been. Thinking maybe around 10. It wasn't super fat. Definitely a spawned out drop back hen, but wow. I am lost for words. And my leader is all frayed up. Gonna go ahead and retie here and try to get back out there. There we go. I think we're hooked up to something. Nice. Got a little smallie over here. I don't know how I'm gonna end this thing though. Come here, buddy. Nice. Smallies way bigger than the ones you catch out of Lake Erie for sure. guys a look at him here. Solid 16. Kind of chunky. Take that all day. Got that one pretty far out from shore. I don't know if you guys can see that tree, but I was casting past it. It seems like there's a slower seam and then the main current further out. And I was just casting that slower seam and smashed it. I was about to leave the spot too. I don't know if I already said that, but I've already been here for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. No action, but glad I stayed. Fishing pretty deep. Maybe like 8 feet. 8 feet or so. But yeah, got that one on this little white marabou jig. It's just jiggling it while I was drifting with the current, and that seemed to do the trick. Nice, let's see if we can't get on some more. Got something small here. Probably another smallie, I would assume. Yeah, it's a smallie. Let's put him over here. Fishing that same spot. There we go. Got a little dude here. Nice. This one's definitely smaller than the first one. Maybe only like a 10 or 12. Looks like the action's kind of heating up here. Like I said earlier, the weather forecast is that it's going to get cloudy today. Although it's not completely cloudy, it's definitely not as sunny as it was earlier, so I'm thinking that's really helping us here. Casting the same spot as the other fish that I caught. I'm assuming there's probably like a big boulder down there or something that provides some cover for these smallies, but yeah. That was nice. Let's try to get on to another one. Alright guys, sun's coming down pretty quickly here, so I'm just going to make a couple last casts here and then probably head back home. I don't think anything's going to get better than that steelhead anyway, but yeah, started off the day struggling a little bit. But yeah, we moved spots found the right depth and kind of got lucky with that steelhead. Hit that white marabou jig. As always, you know, that does work. This might not be a video on its own, because it might be a little boring just to watch me catch one fish, but I might add a clip or two from a different day. And yeah, solid day. Probably my PB steelheads, that's more than solid, honestly. You take that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that and me almost falling, and yeah, have a great rest of your day.